Today we're going to zoom in on two different parts of the story, The Little House. This part was kind of in the middle of the story, and this was at the end of the story. For this activity, you're going to need a partner, so pause the video and get a partner. Welcome back. Let's look at the illustration on page 13 and 27. Turn and talk to your partner right now and see if you can find two ways that the setting is different. Pause the video and tell your partner. Now I want you to use a marker and circle the ways that they are different that you talked about. This is evidence to show where you got your information from in the picture. When you're done, send a picture to your teacher.